I feel like this wouldn't be right if I didn't show TikTok. This is how I came up on a free 70-inch TV. Well, I think I spent about 20 bucks. My neighbor was throwing away a 70-inch Samsung TV. And if you're like me, you see somebody else throwing out something so expensive and think, I might be able to do something with that. 70 inches. And if you're asking and wondering about that black line, I'll tell you in a moment. First brought this thing in the crib. I plugged it up, no lights, no sound. And as you can see, I got lights and yes, I have sound. What I had to do to fix it is interesting. So if you look at this picture right here, this right here is called the panel. And this is a LCD panel that if you block off some of the signals, whatever signal is giving this TV trouble to turn on, then all the rest of the signals will fire off and you'll have picture. And that's exactly what I did. I cracked open the TV. Look at this picture right here. Cracked open the TV, pulled the panel out, and I started taping off power signals until I got visual. Now all I gotta do is strengthen my mount because this TV is a lot bigger. It's a lot lighter, but it's a lot bigger. So the displacement of the weight has it leaning forward and it's a little too strong for the mount as is. Got these drywall reinforcements. They're already screwed in on the studs, but the drywall reinforcements should hold it up a lot better because yes, I already tried, and yes, it damn near fell off the wall. Y'all, 70 inches is crazy. I'm proud of my little find, you know. So keep in mind, y'all, one man's trash is truly another man's treasure if you're handy and don't mind spending about $30.